me to play. Electric golf cart will take you away. The starter will tell you all the rules to go by. You get to go first, cause you're the new guy. Tee it high and let it fly. You're on the first tee, it's a beautiful view, and everybody's patiently waiting on you. You take a deep breath and give it a try. Don't let this fine moment pass you by. Just tee it high and let it fly. Don't let this little game get you. No pressure here, I'll betcha. You'll make some excuse if they let you. Forget about the who, what, where, when, and why. Just tee it high and let it fly. 20 minutes late to get her from work. Right about now you're a #1 jerk. How can you salvage this dumb reputation? Not thinking ahead is a bad revelation. You need a pretty decent excuse after all. The big sound of bull as it's hitting the wall. When you decide on a good alibi, just take a deep breath and give it a try. Just tee it high and let it fly.